Have you ever worried that someone might keep trying to unlock your phone again and again? Maybe your phone get lost or someone keep guessing your lock code. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has a helpful security feature called Auto Factory Reset that can protect your data. Here's what it does. If someone enters the wrong PIN, password, or pattern 20 times, your phone will automatically reset. That means all your personal data will be erased, your files, photos, apps, everything. It's like a clean wipe to keep your information safe. So let me show you how to turn it on. First, head into Setting. Scroll down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Secure Lock Setting. Enter your current screen lock. Now enable Auto Factory Reset. Based on the caption of this option, when this option is on, after 20 incorrect attempts to unlock the phone, it will be reset to factory default setting and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded app. So why should you use it? If someone steals your phone or keeps trying to unlock it, this setting protects your private data, because it's better to lose the phone than risk someone accessing your photos, messages, or important files. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.